Start with a big U shape. This will be the bottom part of the face. Now for the hairline, you're going to do a bunch of zigzaggy lines across the top. Then we're going to start a little bit lower, and then we're going to keep doing jaggedy lines all the way around for the hair. I'll C shape for an ear on one side and do the identical shape on the other side. Angle in and down. Do the mirror image on the other side, angle down. Little line on the end, and then bring that up. Do the same on the other side. These will be the eyebrows. Half circle, another half circle, smaller half circle on the inside. Two little angles down. The nose is going to angle inward, across, and then up. We start with a basic smile, but then we're going to curve down and up and back and then over. Then I'm going to add teeth on the top and then teeth on the bottom. Little curve like for the chin. Then the cheekbones are going to be these kind of angles like that. Then you can start to color in the eyebrows, the eyes, and the inside of the mouth.